Dear students, we are going to learn about Microsoft PowerPoint professionally. So when we'll go for any kinds of job or any kinds of further work, then we need to know Microsoft PowerPoint. First of all, we're going to learn how to start that Microsoft PowerPoint, and we'll go for a basic introduction on it. To open or to start Microsoft PowerPoint, first of all, you need to install that software. So by many way you can install that software. Now to start that software for first time, right click on your mouse, then click take here your cursor like new, then here you'll find what you have installed. So here you can see Microsoft Access Database, Microsoft Word document, Microsoft Access Database, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Publisher Documents, then here Microsoft Excel. So I have downloaded that types of data. Now if I click here Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, I will click here and see a file have been created. Now I'll named it that how I will named it. So here you can write like you can write anything here, okay, or you can give here any title, and if you need to change that title, just come here and click on your mouse simply, then you'll be able to change it. Otherwise select that one and press F2 from your keyboard, and then you'll be able to change it. Okay, so then enter and it will be okay. So in this way you're able to create that file for any version. Now simply double click here, or I'll close it, right click and click here open. Okay, so here first of all, when you will come here, you will see no option are not workable. Okay, no option are not workable. So we'll understand about that briefly. Now after opening our software, what we'll do, we'll click anywhere. Actually we'll click anywhere, otherwise I will delete that slide. You'll see nothing is accessible right now. So first of all, to open a new work, we have to click here new slide, and you will see many options available here. So title slide, then title and content, section header, then to content, comparison, then title only. So they have many options. Let's check one by one. First of all, I'll click here title slide. If I click here for title slide, you will see a slide is available here, and also a big slide is available here. Now I'll take our mouse, and after clicking our mouse, I'll move it here to make it little bit smaller. And if you need to make it big or small, then you can simply click here for increasing its size or decreasing its size by clicking here. Clear? And also they have an option for fit slide to current windows. If you click here, it will automatically fit with your current windows. Now when it's okay, if you just click here, you will be able to provide here title, and here you can add subtitle. Clear? That's it. So in this way, this is a pre-provided template. Now we'll go for another slide like title and content. If I click here, so if you provide here title, welcome, and if you provide the content, so here if you just click, suppose thanks, done, then enter. In this way you are able to write here with this pre-template, And also we learn in further that how we can create that types of template, how we can write here like that. So we will learn everything about. So at this time, nothing to worry about it. Again, I'll go for another slide. So they have many kinds of slide, automatic slide. If I click here for comparison slide, then suppose if I phone and laptop, suppose. So inside in this set you can write about phone, and in this set you can write about laptop. Enter and write here something, and also click here and write here something. Okay, so in this way you are able to use that all default template. Clear? All default template. Now if you need any fresh template, then how we'll do that? Just simply click here blank and see a fresh template you will get here. So this is the way to open our template. Okay, or to open our template. Now we'll go for the next thing. When you are okay with that template creating or template opening, then we'll go we'll go section by section for our further work. Now we'll learn about our file tab, then we'll learn about our home tab, then insert tab, then design tab. Okay, so first of all, if you see here, this is our menu bar. Here the option available, this is our menu bar. By using all of that menu bar, will work for our presentation, and finally we'll get a perfect output. So we learn about all of that option, that how we can utilize that option perfectly. So this one is our, in that interface, this is our menu bar. And if you click here, you will get a quick access toolbar here in that panel, and also you can add as per your requirement. So if you click on that small arrow, click here, and here see some options are already checked: save, undo, redo. Here save, undo and redo, they are already checked. So if you need to add more option like new, if you click here, just see here a new option have been created. Then if you click here for open, a new option like open have been created. In this way, then if you want to remove it, then simply again click here, it will remove, then click open, it will remove. So in this way you are able to edit here. And when it's done, we learn about our file tab. So in our file tab, I click here in our file tab, and you will see here our recent work will be added here. With what types of work or with which presentation we have created, it will be available here. Then here we will get some default template or themes. Okay, you will get the default template or themes. I will open these types of template later to show you that how we can customize that. So we'll get it here. And for more themes, if you click here, you will get more themes. Then first of all, if we click here in new, then if we click here new, then a new presentation option will be available. Now they have if you need the blank presentation, you can click here. Otherwise, they have many presentation, or there are many template available, so you can take it from here. And if you click here presentation, and it will searching thousands of online template. Here it will find thousands of online template for you as per your requirement. Otherwise, you can search here that which types of presentation or which types of data you actually need. You can search here. Suppose you need that presentation, simply click here, and further feature design, here it will be available, and it's downloading. Just you have to wait for that. we'll click here again and we'll click here create, downloading your template. So it will wait for that. You have to wait for that to download it. Actually it's taking it's loading from below, that's why. Here we have many template actually. Now wait for that. Okay, here from here we'll suppose if we take it and if I click here, it will start downloading. First of all, before downloading you have to know about that data or how it's work actually. So when it will start downloading, just see, after completing our download it will start automatically and it will come here automatically. Now here by clicking here you are able to change the title. So if I click here, welcome to my workspace, and here you can modify it. Thank you. And they have others data. By clicking here you are able to change it as per your requirement. Okay, so in this way you can write here as per your requirement. So this is the way to create a new project. Okay, now after creating that new project, what we will do, if we need to save it, I'll click here, they have option save. Otherwise you can press, you can press Ctrl then F, it will also save. Ctrl plus F, it will also save. Now where you want to save actually? Where do you want to save? By clicking here we can change our different place. If we click here for more option, then we'll see many option here. First of all, a default option is available on OneDrive, so we'll not go for OneDrive because this is the online procedure. I'll click here this PC. So if I click here this PC, then from here you will be able to see your table or your folder where you want to save. So I'll go here desktop, and from desktop, otherwise from here I can go this PC and I can find out where I want to save it. If I go for online work, then if I go for Udemy, and if I click here a course like PowerPoint presentation, and I can change its name actually, our work, and here I will save. That's it. I've saved that project. Now if you open anything new, suppose here anything new, and if you click save, it will save on that folder. And after going here, if I close it, if I also close it, I will save it here. And if I go to that folder where we have saved, and here are our work, this is our work. See, in this way you are able to create a new slide and then you are able to save it anywhere you want. Now after completing our work, we can save it in many forms. Okay, we can save it many forms. You see, to save it in many forms, click here, file, then they have option save as. I'll click here save as, then where you want to save. the same way previously I've done this PC, and suppose here I want to save. And if you click here, save as type, they have many options. Okay, they have many options. Just see, they have Microsoft PowerPoint, then PDF, then Office theme, PowerPoint show. They have many options available to save it. Then in video format, then here in JPG or image format, PNG format, you can save it as per that possible format. So if I click here and if I click here for PDF, okay, and if I click save, this folder will saved as a PDF. Just see, I have this folder have been saved and opened as a PDF. I mean, if I close it and here if I go, just see here a PDF format have been created. If I double click, see here are PDF. In this way you are able to use save as option for saving it as a PDF. Now what if we need to save it as an image? Suppose I want to save it that presentation as the image or all presentation as the image. So to save it, I mean to save this on presentation as the image, just simply click Ctrl then Shift then S on your mouse. It will work as the same option or save as. So after coming here, click here and then otherwise click here file, then save as. This is same actually, this PC and PPT, and this will be same actually. Now what we'll do now, I'll just click here and go here, which types of image you want to need actually, JPG, PNG. So I'll go for suppose JPG. When it's okay, then click save. Now this is the most important question, which slide do you want to export? Which one you want to export actually? All slide of that presentation, otherwise just this one. This, what is the meaning of this one? Which one are opened? If I cancel here, if I go back, I mean this one, otherwise all presentation. So if I go again, Ctrl Shift S, and if I go here for JPG and if I go save, now which one? Okay, all slide or just this one? I mean just if you need to save just this presentation as a image, otherwise all presentation as a image, which one actually you need to export as an image? So if I click here, just this one picture will be saved as an image. Just see, just this one, and if I go here, see here our work and see that. So this is our image. Otherwise if I again go here, then press Ctrl Shift S and go for JPG and click save, and yes, we want to replace, and here all slide. So if I click here all slide and then okay, and if I go here, just see a new folder have been created and where our that 3 images are available. So this is the way to save your model in different format and different way. So after completing your work, you will be able to save your model in different manner. But in next we'll go for many work. There are many things to learn from Autodesk PowerPoint. Okay, then okay, today for it. Now we'll learn about new things. Again we'll go here for file tab, and they have another option like share, export. So the export option is also same as our previous work actually. So we'll use that export option later, not now. And here they have a share option. So if you want to share your this file with someone, then you can click save to cloud. If you have a cloud storage, then you can save it here directly. Otherwise, if you want to email, then you can email that presentation directly from here. Send as attachment, send everyone receives separate copy of this presentation, send as PC. Everyone gets a PDF attachment. They have option available. Okay, then XPS file. So I will not use that option, and this is not so important for us. because we randomly do not use that option actually. And if you want to close that option, simply click here, it will close. And if you want to save your changes, if you save, that PowerPoint will close. Okay, that's it. Again, if I go here, and I'll open from here. Now if we go here, and if we go for print option, and if you want to print that PowerPoint, then how we'll go for that? So to do it, you'll get a option here, print, and they have a printer. If you have a installed printer on your PC, then you'll be able to print directly from here. But as I have no printer here, I'll go for Adobe PDF. From here, all slide, print all slide. Do you want to print all slide from here? If yes, then print all slide. Otherwise, print current slide. What is the meaning of print current slide? Current slide means this one will print. Okay, I mean this one slide will be print, which on are visible here. Not three will be printed. Otherwise, custom range. Custom range meant you have three slide, right? Then if I click here 1 and comma 2, just see here only 2 are available. If I click here like 1 to 2, then also this 2 presentation will be available here. The 2 pages of our presentation will be available here to print. Otherwise, if I click here on to 3, just see our 3 pages of presentation will be available here to print. Okay, then when it's done, now they have option slide, full slide. So if you want to download full page, you can do it. Then frame select, there are many options actually. So note page, you can print here like that. Then if I click here 2 slides in on page, then we'll be able to print 2 slides in on page. And they have 3 slides in on page, we'll be able to 3 slides print 3 slides in on page. Then here also another option 6 slides. In this way actually you can modify, or you can simplify as per your requirement. And okay, this option is not so important. And if we click here, here layout, so which types of layout you need portrait, then click OK, you'll get it here. Otherwise, if we go for landscape, it will be okay. Then page per sheet 1 or something, you can click here also for advanced option. Here paper size, which types of paper size you want to use actually for that print. If we use for A4 size, and then click OK, then click OK, see the paper size will adjust. And also header and footer, you can change the option like header and footer. Okay, so as per your requirement, you can add date or time. So here a date is available, apply to all. Otherwise, some other option we can use actually. Here date and time are available. So this is the way. And after completing all work, just simply click here print, and I will save it at desktop and click save. So it saves as per your requirement. But when you will have a printer, then you will be able to print that directly. So this was the way to print your final presentation as per your requirement. Now we learn to explore option. I'll click find, I'll click here options. There are many important points to understand before starting your work. So first of all, general. Here user interface, what you want to see or what you want didn't want to see, you can change it here. Then office background. Okay, for office background, there's option no background. but you can add many background, gray color or anything. If you click OK, just see its color have been changed. Its color have been changed. So if you think that this color is okay for you or it's suitable for you, then you can leave it like that. Again, I'll go here, file, then option, then if we go here for colorful, if we click OK, then it will change actually. So as per your requirement, you are able to change it. Then I'll go again, I'll go for option and the background white. Okay, so everything will be white. So this is the way actually to change your background option. I will not change anything, no background. Here. Now everything is okay. Again, I'll go for proofing. So what is the meaning of proofing? Proofing means when you write something, how it will interact actually. So here all option is available, and I think no need to change anything. No need to change anything here. It will perfectly set here. Otherwise, change how PowerPoint correct or format text as your type. So if you click here, these options are available here. So they have many words already given here, thousands of words directly provided by Microsoft, that if you write something and if you write something, it will correct it automatically. So I'll not do anything here. And if I go here, save, this is the most important thing. Though here in your save option, after suppose you are working or you are doing something and you've forgotten about saving your product or your work, then what will do? Suddenly your electricity, if your electricity gone, then you will face some problem. So to solve that problem or to save your work automatically, you can use that option, save auto recover information every. Okay, after how much time you want to save your file automatically. If you can give here 1 minute, you can give here 2 minutes, you can give here 3 minutes. So I prefer to provide here, so work for every 1 minute. For every 1 minute, after every 1 minute, my work will automatically saved. So that if suddenly I close a project, or suddenly electricity gone, or they have no backup option on your PC, then you'll be able to recover your file you have worked within 2 minutes before. And where you want to save your product actually, auto recover file location. So where you want to save is a default format, default place, no need to change here anything, and default location, default file location. And when you'll default save, where it will save user, then user, then documents. Okay, and here this is okay, just one thing we need to change here. Then language, here English is available, add a language. They have many languages available, many languages. You can change your required language as per your requirement. Clear? So I'll not change anything here actually. So for proofing, it's also using English. Accessibility, nothing to change here anything. Advanced work, also nothing to change here anything. And just here they have one thing to do, so maximum number of undos. So suppose you are working, and now if you want to need to back 20 times before your work, so then if you press Ctrl Z or if you press undo, then how much time you'll be able to undo? Here it's limited to 20. You can they have option enter a whole number from 3 to 150. So you can provide any value here as per your requirement. Then customize ribbon. So what is the customized ribbon? They have a many option. Main tab, for main tab you can save what you actually need or what you no need. Okay, this option are available, so I think it's okay, no need further things, it's okay actually. Now quick access toolbar, already have shown you that what you need in quick access toolbar. You can add here more tools from here as per your work requirement. Suppose if you need to add a draw table, then click add, then if you click OK, just see it will have been added. Again I'll go here, then option, then I'll go here, quick access toolbar, I'll remove it, and if you click OK, it will be gone. Then add add-ons. So no need to add add-ons, already some add-ons are added by default. Then trust center. So in trust center, we no need to change anything here. If we click OK, everything will be settled. So this was the way to use your option, that how you can maintain your work perfectly, how you can secure your work perfectly, and how you, if you need to change your work, if you need to add or remove anything you need to work, you can do from there. So thank you very much.